I am currently not in any positions, but I did take a couple of positions on Bitcoin during the Asian session, and I believe during the where is it here? And during the London session. I'll walk you through what I have trading here, starting top down. Here on the daily chart, this is yesterday's candle here, and this is day before yesterday's daily candle. Yesterday's daily candle trades above the range of day before yesterday's candle and then closes back inside the range here. This gives me a sell side draw on liquidity, and coming over here to the 4-hour chart, looking for multiple time frame analysis here. So overall, this is the area of price action for today here in the 4-hour chart, and price action overall has been bearish to the sell side here. And then in this current 4-hour candle, which is the, or next to the previous 4-hour candle, which is the I believe the first candle coming into the New York AM session, shifts back to the buy side or long. But for my trades during the London and the Asian session, this price action here, where price action is bearish, was controlling. Here on the 1-hour chart, these are the areas of interest here. Here and here are the areas of interest, here being the Asian session, here being the London session here. First I'll walk you through the Asian session, or the Asian session, and then through the London session here. So during the Asian session, which is this price range right in here, you can see price action form this relatively equal highs here, and form this balanced price range where you have this bullish fair value gap, and then that is balanced by this bearish fair value gap right here. So having a balanced price range here, writing balanced price range of BPR here. So you get this price action where you get this price action starts trending. So you get a body candle close with this candle below this swing low here, and you get this bearish fair value gap, which would indicate trending conditions here on the 1-hour chart. Then you get this pullback candle here, and I was able to get an entry here on this pullback, and then targeting 60-minute low or 1-minute low here. So I was able to take some profits as price traded down lower into this area here. So price closed below here, and just targeted the low here, the swing low. And I could have taken a partial here, but I held as there's a lower swing point down here, but any 1-hour liquidity points I want to take partial, so I missed an opportunity to partial here. But I did partial at the 1-hour swing low of the price leg here. And then you can see price consolidates, puts in this near equal lows down here, and then reverses to the buy side, and I was stopped out here. Second trade during the London session, similar setup, price action putting in this relatively equal highs here, getting a wick candle close here instead of a body candle close. Here getting the wick close, but getting the fair value gap. Also, it may be forming another, or it may have formed another balanced price range that I didn't notate here. So another balanced price range, so similar price action that it's putting in here, with the exception of a wick candle close instead of a body candle close here. Price trades up into the bearish fair value gap here. I'm able to get an entry and take the position down to this 1 hour swing low here, and then holding the remainder of the position for these relatively equal lows, as there would be a sell side liquidity pool resting down here. But price, as you can see, never made it back down there, returned aggressively here to the buy side. And also you can see here on the daily chart, my sell side drawn liquidity here has now been violated, as price has traded above this area. It would take some doing for price to deliver here to the sell side, but I am done trading it to the sell side unless something very dramatic happens that shifts price. We'll head over to my execution charting for more detail into the trade. So I did take a position, a long, that I was stopped out on earlier. So here I was long bias, as there was a buy side draw on liquidity here, but that buy side draw was met, and then I took the short. So this buy side draw here I take, and then I'm stopped out here right when I recognize, or this allowed me to see that my bias was incorrect and that price was trading in the opposite direction. So when I noticed that, I switched my position. This is the exit from the long here. Switched my position to a short, targeted this 1 hour liquidity here, and this is the area where I could have taken additional profits here, but I failed to do so as I was waiting for this swing low down here instead of just taking the liquidity level that was next. So missed that, and then you can see price return here to the buy side. Stops me out at the break-even level here, and then continues trading higher, consolidates again. Sets up again here. You can see this Fibonacci retracement tool setting up the dealing range. There's that fair value gap in here. Price trades up into it. I take an entry, take my first take profit right here at this 1 hour swing low, and targeting for a second and final target here, these relatively equal swing lows with this sell side liquidity here. Price never made it, and then you can see again here on the 5-minute chart with more detail these entries. Actually, this is one of the entries as well. Take profit, stop out. Price action sets up again. See these gaps, you see this retest area here. But price pulls back. I wait for a market structure shift here on the 5-minute chart, which comes in here. So you can see higher high, higher low. Let's back that up here. Higher high, higher low. Puts in this low, higher high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, and then you get this shift here. This market structure shift to the sell side, and then price consolidates here. And then you get this sell side delivery coming in here, sweeping out this sell side liquidity. and then price aggressively shifts to the buy side. I exit here at the break-even level. Seeing bearish price action here, but market conditions have taken price to the buy side. So there's been no follow through in my price action that I have currently today. Not seeing much else that I would anticipate on being able to trade today just based on my system. So I'm likely going to stand by during the afternoon session and see if anything presents itself during the Asian session for today. If you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Stay on tilt, never emotional.